Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back again. May peace be upon you. I'm live, and I didn't announce this live stream from before, and it was not planned. But yes, I just an important topic came into my mind, and I thought I should do a live stream on it because on this Black Friday and Cyber Monday season, we all talk about spending, right? Buying deals, grabbing tools, and something like that. But what about those tools that you have already bought or you already have access to, and you can build businesses with it, right? So let's talk about that, how to build businesses. There can be hundreds of ideas to launch your online business or provide services or monetize your content or something like that. There are lots of ways to earn money online, but today in this live session we are only going to talk about one idea, and that is building a directory business. How you can launch your own directory online. It could be of any niche, it could be on any specific part or section of particular niche, anything it could be, right? So let's quickly dive. Let me first confirm that we are live, and yeah, I'm live on my profile, my page, also on YouTube, but for that I have to go right in my YouTube channel. Okay, sorry. So in the first comment, the link you are watching is from my previous stream, so that's a mistake. So just ignore it. You can find the all useful links that I'm going to talk about inside the description of this live stream, right? So okay, yeah. So now I've shared the this live stream inside Facebook group also. So let's proceed, and we will be talking about directories, right? So, guys, the first topic I would like to cover in this live stream is that launching and scaling a directory business in current market is booming, right? There are lots of directories you can see in market right now, and let me know if I am audible. Anyone here? You can comment and inform me that you can hear me, right? And I would quickly send. Yeah. So, guys, today we are going to talk about a directory, and yeah. So, what you will learn today in this session, that what a directory business is, how you can monetize a directory business, how to grow it into a startup. Let's say you are not only building a website or a blog or something like that. You are going to build a whole startup on based on directory, and we'll talk about how to flip it as a digital asset, and we will talk about some tools and deals, that how you can launch your directory very fast, right, without wasting any more time. So this is what you are going to learn, and let's move ahead to the next segment, that is why directory businesses still work. Because there is whole AI thing, and some small tools which were selling LTDs are now no more able to sell LTDs, because small tools can easily built by teams with the help of AI. And why do they have to purchase your license, right? If they can build that small tools with their team, with the Claude or any other vibe coding tool, then why would they buy a license? Either it's for lifetime or a subscription. So in this market, if you want to sustain and you are into a software business and a SaaS business, you have to think out of the box and solve the problems which people are facing today. Because the solutions being sold in past time are no more going to be sell unless and until those customers who don't know about AI, or let's say local areas and something like that. But you have to be creative about this. But in today's session, we are going to talk about directories, that why it still works today. Let's talk about AI, right? There is a wave of AI, and you must have seen that along with the wave of AI, there is also a wave of AI tools directories. There is also a wave of prompt directories. There is also a wave of AI courses directories. There is also a wave of AI degrees directories. So internet is a jungle, right? If a person just dives inside browser and want to think that I will browse from search engine, it's impossible. It's not filtered. If I'm searching something on Google, or let's say I find something asking to generative AI also, it's not categorized, it's not organized. If I just want to specifically explore AI tools, I need a specific directory where there are only AI tools listed. So that's why it's still relevant. Let's say there is a niche directory of plumbers in New York. So I will just go there, and if I'm asking to generative AI, the list the generative AI will provide me is very smaller, and if I want to explore bigger, I need a specific directory. So directory business is still relevant, right? uh, if you be creative, you can create directories out of anything. We will see that in the next part of this session. So this was my observation on that, why directory business is still relevant and why it works. One more reason of directory business which is still working is that it's an evergreen business. It does not have any season. Unless and until you build a seasonal directory. Let's say you build a directory of Black Friday offers. So obviously it's going to work only on Black Fridays, right? If you made a directory of products related to Christmas, then obviously it's a seasonal thing and it's going to work only in that particular season. So I'm not talking about that, but if you besides the seasonal things, if you build directories on, let's say, SaaS and AI tools, WordPress plugins, or let's say doctors, dentists, engineers, architects, plumbers, local business services, and many ideas could be there. So what's it's evergreen business, so it's still working. The next one is that why directory business is still relevant. There are multiple ways to monetize this. You do not have to rely on only one, right? You can monetize it with subscription model, paid subscription model. That's a one way. You can monetize it with paid listings. You can monetize it with featured listing. You give a very spotlight place inside your directory to certain listing and charge them a premium for it, right? And another thing that is directories thrive and uh, be successful is SEO. Because let's say there are 1,000 businesses listed on your directory, definitely those 1,000 businesses have their own unique name, they have their own unique identity, they have their own unique domain, they have their own unique niche. So when you listed them on your directory as a page or as a listing, then definitely they are going to that page is going to rank anywhere in social media. And there are some people searching for their niche for something like that. Either it's with the specific name, or let's say niche they are. So this will eventually get more traffic on your directory, though it would be on that business page. But people, when I land on some website, and I does not watch that page only. I explore and I go to that website's other listings also. So like this, you will get traffic from each and every listing. That is one more reason that why directory businesses are successful, right? So you can leverage SEO because it is SEO friendly, and you don't have to. Let's say you have a specific business, you do a keyword research and you target those, right? But now here you have already 1,000 business listed on your directory, and all those are ranking in their particular niche, right? And you are getting traffic from it. And the one more point of directories are successful. One more reason of directories why directories are successful is that businesses want visibility. Let's say you are building an AI tool, and you want to be listed on all AI directories possible, as much AI directories as possible. You want to be listed on that, right? And another one thing is that this is all listings is all about information. There is a form to submit listing, and the directory owner or admin can publish it, right? So this is a an information based business which can be automated easily, right? So these were all thoughts of my mind, that why directory business is still relevant and why they became still successful in this AI revolution also. Now let's move ahead to another segment. Another segment, I'm going to talk about what are the type of directories in an eagle eye view. I will give you an overview that you will get a good idea. Let's say there are local business directories, directories of plumbers, directories of electricians, directories of roofing service, directories of lawn mowers, directories of let's say it could be anything. Like local businesses, just go and ask ChatGPT that give me ideas for local business directories, right? So you will get it. Another type of directory is found in market right now is the niche expert and consultants directory. Let's say I'm building a SaaS platform and I'm not hiring a team, but I want to build it with vibe coding, or let's say AI, with the help of AI. Still, I need an AI and vibe coding expert, right? So if there is a website where all uh, AI and vibe coding expert has created their profiles and I get an access to those directories, I can I get access, I see the charges, I book appointment with them, and my task is done. It's useful for me. So this is just an example. It could be anything. It could be about marketing, it could be about Facebook ads, it could be about Google ads, it could be about Google My Business, it could be about SEO, it could be about website building, it could be about speed optimization of your website, it could be about anything, right? So this is another one type of directory, like niche expert or a consultant directory. Another one is SaaS tool directory, as we all see. But SaaS tools directory also have types. Let's say one of the type is an AI tool directory where all AI tools are listed. One type of directory is like product hunt. It's a directory, but it's a launch platform also. So people come there and launch their new startup or product or whatever they are launching, and it is a directory plus a launch platform. Similarly, there is one more type. They are directory, but they allow users to write review about products which they have used. Let's say it's Captera, we have G2 Crowd. So they are directory, but they are review based directories, right? And let's move ahead to, there are directories which are based on alternatives, right? Which is called alternative to. You must have seen such directories. They are directories, but they focus on providing list of alternatives of big giant tools. Let's say I'm searching for a Zapier alternative, then I will write that Zapier alternative, and I go to alternative to website, and I click on Zapier, and I get a list of all the tools which are or can be an alternative to Zapier, and I can easily find my alternative of Zapier over there from that list, right? So this is also one type of SaaS directory. Another type of SaaS directory is that they became so huge that they converted into marketplace. Let's say AppSumo. It is also a directory, but directory plus marketplace. So SaaS directory itself is a very vast niche, and that there can be multiple types of SaaS directories. Either it's based on just listing, either it's based on reviews, either it's based on alternatives, either it's combined with marketplace, right? So these are all. So this was just an example that SaaS tools directory is itself has many categories, and it could be anything, right? These are called marketplace style directories, right? Now let's move ahead to the next segment, that what is the value proposition of a directory, right? Okay, why it provides value? Because it organizes information, helps user to discover services or products in your directory, provides leads to businesses, builds trust with verified listings. Because if someone has paid a good amount, it's not just definite that this is trustworthy, but it indicates, right? Because whoever the person who has taken premier listing is serious about his business. This is just one element of trust. Not you can fully trust that, because anyone can spend money and get premium listings, right? We also talk about monetization models, that how you can monetize your directories, its featured listings, paid business subscription, lead generation fees, and something like that. Now, let me give you a live example about how people are selling paid listings, right? I will just show you directory. Sorry, AI tools. Let's say this one. I will open couple of directories here so I can show you that how directories work, right? uh, yeah, paid listing we were talking about, and I will show you live example of it. Okay, so yeah, here it is. I will just share my, this is one of AI tools directory. See, this person has built AI tools directory, and it's a good one. I've been eyeing on this since long. So what he is doing, he has created this AI tools directory where there are so many categories: AI detection, advertising, audio, automation, chat, coding, copywriting, education, and so. You can go and check that. Now, what he's doing, these are prime spots. It's called featured tool. Okay. Now these are being sold. Let's go to advertise how much he is charging for this listing. So he has also highlighted who watches his directory. Fast tracking listing. So if you want to list your tool very fast on this directory, they are charging $99 for one time, right? And option one, to advertise your business, is on homepage featured option position one, right? It's for 30 days $599, guys. You can see, right? $599 he's charging for 30 days to list your product here in featured tools, right? You can buy feature ad over here. On position 2, you can list for $529 for 30 days, right? Top organic row. Even how you call it organic, if it's not organic and you are taking money to list there, I don't know about that, but he is charging whatever it is. I don't know who the person is, right? So maybe someone from our audience, then comment me, and you can hop on in live stream to talk about your directory, right? Anyone, if you want to, guys, join this live stream as a panelist, then just tell me in the comment box. I will provide you the link, and you can join inside studio and join live conversation, right? So let's make it interactive. So see this: fast tracking 99, homepage featured one 599, top organic growth 329. Let just imagine, this was just an example. Let me show you another one. And yeah, this is another directory, aitools.fyi, and see, this is directory. All SaaS tools are listed over here. Now he has done another interesting thing, that this must be affiliate link, right? Yeah, this is affiliate link. So here they have listed deals and they are getting affiliate commissions on it. Now let's go to get featured. What is the charge, right? How much do they charge to get your listings featured there, right? So it's about maximum exposure. For 1 week they are charging $447, and for category sponsorship they are charging $197 per month. That's a recurring, not one time. The previous directory we saw, it was just one time. So this is just to give you an idea about featured listing, right? And another, and we got both examples. One is one time, other is monthly recurring subscription, right? So these are just a thing. Now you can also charge for lead generation. Let's say you yeah, guys, we have one guest with us in studio. Let me take him about. Tejas, hi Tejas, how are you?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah. I was just showing the example of directories, featured listings, right? That how people charge for
Right.
premium listings and all that. So,
Yeah,
guys, if
yeah.
you also want to join this panel with us on here on discussion, I will just drop a studio link inside the comment box, and you can click on that, join studio, and we can have a live discussion instead of just talking on comment box, right?
Yeah.
So, many people are shy and do not come on studio, but I will encourage you that you should do this, right? So, guys, this was just an example I was showing that how much they are charging. They are charging for 1 week for $447, right?
Yeah.
So I just before this I showed AI tools directory.com, and it was charging for 1 month for featured listing on top of their homepage, right? So this was just an example. The another way you can charge on your directory is lead generation. Let's say you have custom built or your directory, you assign each page for one listing, and you just add a lead generation form over there, right? And what you do an automation, that form submitted is gone to direct to that business via you, right? So you also get lead data, and that particular business also get leads data, and like this you can charge per lead. you know there are lots of people running ads on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Google. That's only lead generation ad, right? So businesses who are getting qualified leads are willing to pay as much they consider, right? It has no limits, right? Let's say if you are generating leads for a real estate business where the low ticket product is, let's say, $1 million, right? And if they are getting qualified leads, they would easily pay you $1,000, easily pay you. And let's say it's a small business, they easily pay you, let's say, $5, $10. It has no limits. It depends on what business is, what is the ticket size, and something like that, right?
Yeah.
So it was just to give you an idea that this is also one way you can charge on PPC. Also, you can charge that you can install detailed analytics of the listing pages, and you can track all the clicks, and you can charge per click and give live dashboard access to their listing to businesses. There is no limit, guys. I was just exploring the way to how you can monetize, right? And yeah, these were some out of the box monetization ways. Now we have some classic which are already being used by many of the directories. Are You can put banner ads, you can put affiliate links and get commission, sponsored posts, paid placement in newsletter. Because once you have directory, let's say you build a directory of AI tools, right? Now you will collect emails. You will build your email list, and you will be publishing newsletter every week or every 15 days or every month. Now people will buy a place in your newsletter, right? Newsletter, because so directory is something like that. We have to also think about people psychology. I came across one directory and I spent about half an hour exploring it. Now on second time I will not spend half an hour on that directory because I have once spent, right? For next time I will go for a specific reason to find one particular thing and try to find that in 5 minutes. If I'll get, I will get, and if I don't get, I will switch to another directory, right? But if I'm getting a newsletter from that particular directory, I will read it, because I know that whatever I've explored is old thing, and whatever update they are sending me is definitely I haven't seen, because when I explored, these new updates were not there, right? So newspaper catches more eyeball on so placement in newsletter is also being bought and sold inside market, and you can explore that side also, right?
Yeah.
Now, let's talk about next segment. We'll talk with Tejas. Tejas has built a very good thing which can be useful in building directories for yourself, for you, and we'll talk about that. But let
I've
me.
built a lot of other directories as well. So, like,
Okay,
as you were talking about monetizations of the directories, like, most prominent way would be like just to get the directory, add payment processor like Gumroad. And, if you have any valuable data with you, or like a lot of insights and a lot of data, you can just get your directory, connect payment processor like Gumroad and sell it for like 99 or $149, and one time fees, or maybe if it's a really good data, you can even charge monthly recurring fees as well. So that's a very good way as well.
okay. So it's not limited to that. You will make listings of other people businesses, or let's say other people tools. You can also make a directory of your research data, right? Research
Yeah,
data.
yeah.
Yeah. So
How to add a link in the comments? I can share a
Uh,
link.
I don't think that you can share.
Okay.
You can pass it to me on Messenger, and I will share it over here. Right?
Okay, okay. Let me just share. So I'll just share you the link about this. So this has started, you know, a couple of months back.
Okay.
So you can check it out. So this is a directory of like affiliate program growth strategies. So it's like a directory which is useful for affiliate program managers or growth managers or head of marketing
So
departments.
what is I will along with this link affiliate program manager for them it is right.
Yeah. So basically anyone who wants to grow their affiliate program, they can get into this directory, this tool, and they can understand what other companies did to grow their affiliate program, right? So they can get a lot of insights,
Okay,
like
so
what
I just
techniques they
I
use.
just dropped a link inside the comment box. You will receive it in next 5 to 10 seconds. It is called
Yeah, yeah,
affiliate growth vault, right? Affiliate
yeah,
growth.
yeah, yeah.
Vault. You can go and check it out. So they just put some light on it, right? What it is.
Yeah. So I'm just like talking about what exactly it is. So basically, let's suppose if you are a founder or if you have an affiliate program, right? So definitely you would want to scale your affiliate revenue, recruit affiliates, and grow your affiliate program as well, so that you can unlock a new source of
Hmm.
revenue or marketing resource, right? So this affiliate growth vault is basically a database of all the strategies that has been used by successful companies to grow their affiliate program, right? And there are like a lot of unique strategies that they have deployed to grow their affiliate program. And I have like listed out a lot of different, lot of different categories, strategies, stacks. So you can just exactly know like what exactly they are using. They have been using previously to grow their affiliate program. So that's the database, right? So
Hmm.
you can use that database, to enhance like, or you can even replicate that in your own strategy, right? So maybe Unesh, you can like maybe you can just go through the landing page and just show them what exactly this looks like.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure. So I would try to share this. Let me first open the link.
yeah,
In
yeah.
in
The link is in the comments section. If anyone is
Yeah,
interested, you
in
can
the
check it out.
comment section, and it's called affiliate growth wall. So end goal of this is that to recruit affiliates. If you have your own affiliate program, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's a database where you can get strategies and know what
Strategies.
exactly what people are doing to grow their affiliate
Actually,
program.
there is because when you are recruiting affiliates, every affiliate is your lead. So this could be called a lead generation for affiliates, right?
I mean, technically, it's like a database of insights, like what exactly people used, what
Yeah.
companies used to grow their affiliate program, right?
Okay. Okay.
So
So
it
these are
can be,
basically
tiered commission strategies. It can be co-marketing programs. It can be, the bounties they use. It can be like the lifetime cookies they are using or anything like that.
okay, okay, awesome. So there are 2,000 plus proven affiliate program growth strategies used by 305 plus companies. Access
Yeah.
to 2005 affiliate program. Okay, 305 companies, 2005 affiliate programs, and there is obviously, guys, you can go and watch this 9-minute video on the landing page. You can find the link below in the sorry, in the comment box, and watch this video to have a detailed understanding about this, right?
Yeah.
So you can check it. So this is one more very good example of a directory, because this is a directory. What it's a
Yeah.
directory of use cases, that how companies used strategies, and what type of strategies they use to grow their affiliate program, right? To
Yeah.
recruit
Yeah.
more affiliates and get more affiliates, right? And grow their business. We
Yeah.
have Vladimir with here in the comment box. Hi, how are you? If you want to join this live conversation, guys, you will find the studio link below in the comment box, and you can join with us over here, right? So this is what affiliate growth vault is. Okay,
Yeah.
Tejas.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you want me to explain more?
I think it's a bit covered.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let me complete my which I was
Sure.
going to
Sure.
the
Sure.
next
Sure.
segment,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and
Definitely.
we are going to talk about more also, and I would give you about 2 to 3 minutes in just a couple of minutes, right?
Yeah.
For that, then you can speak about this. I will again share the screen, right? So,
Sure, no
guys,
problem.
last we were talking about monetization, right? Now you can also turn your whole directory into a startup. What I will be doing, let's say, if I proceed with one of my project which I am planning right now, I'm not sure if I would be able to do whatever I'm thinking or not. But if I did that, I'm not going to reveal anything about that right now. But if I'm going to do that, then I will do it in public and I will make it public. And that would be a startup based on directory, right? It's a whole startup. It's not just a directory website or any digital asset. It will be a whole startup having, let's say, give a glance of it, right? It would be a SaaS directory, but SaaS directory with uh, each listing having podcast with his founders, right? It would have alternative section. We are not sure about review. I'm not aligning myself with that. So yeah, they just you can continue about 2 to 3 minutes for about this affiliate growth. What?
Yeah, so basically, this tool. We were talking about directories, right? So this is a directory of about like growth strategies that you can replicate. So they are like really really unique. So even I built this directory. Even I am using or exploring this directory so that, and I'm also getting surprised like what other companies are doing to recruit affiliates, right? So they are like running reward programs, they're running giveaways, a lot of stuff to recruit, high quality affiliates, right? And I think this is one of a kind product. You cannot find this product in the market right now because like it's very unique and it's like very useful for people who wants to grow their knowledge in affiliate marketing as well. So it's kind of like a knowledge base as well. So yeah, so that's about it. Like if you are interested, you can check it out. The link is in the comments. Yeah. So that was about the affiliate growth vault.
So yeah, we would move ahead and let's. So can you log in and show us just one or two listings inside?
About affiliate growth vault.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
you can
just
share
give
your screen,
me.
right? You can share your
Yeah,
screen.
yeah, I can share. Just give me a minute.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem. So, guys, we will be talking about a
Yeah.
startup thing also, that how you can turn your
Should I
directory into
share
a
it
startup.
now?
Yeah, you can share.
Okay, just a second. Oh, I have to. I have to give your system permission to comment browser. So it might happen that I might, you know, get out of the video. I'll just come back if I, go back. Okay, I have to go back probably. Let me see. Yeah, I have to. I will come back again in 1 minute. Hello, guys. Can you hear me? Uh, just a second. I'm not able to hear you. Actually, I'm not able to hear you. I'm not sure why.
Yeah, can you
Yeah,
hear me now?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I can
Okay.
hear it. Let me
So,
share screen.
yeah, share your screen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can you see the
Yeah,
screen?
I just push your screen into the stream, right?
Okay, so this is how the database looks like. So
Hmm.
it has like around 2000 plus affiliate program growth strategies. So we have the search tab here. We have all the categories over here, right? We have tags. There are like a lot of tags over here that you can like filter with, right? And then here you can have all this, strategies and all the companies. So let me just click on one of the companies. Let me just go to the second page. So let's see this one, ambition.com, right? So
Hmm.
these are some of the key metrics, right? These are some of the program overview, and these are some of the strategies they used, right? So template-led content featuring partner brands, co-marketing with platform partners, then PR around hero integrations, marketplace directory presence, then proof of skill stats, integration-led demand capture, and review site social proof to lift partner conversion. So these are some of the strategies this company used. Then let's go to another one like Apollo.io, right? So this is one of famous cold outreach tool, right? And they are using partner stack as their affiliate program, tool. So they used like this co-marketing and content strategy, right? This multi-track ecosystem, right? Single, they doesn't stop at single affiliate tier, so they have different affiliate tiers, like for affiliate, agency, technology, and startup, right? So they have micro influencer rewards, right? Right. So they do provide $15 in a G2 review, right? So this is how they, add more influencers as well. Then they have training and enablement, then turbocharge partnerships, like what they're using, right? In onboarded 105 new partners and set up automated lead workers to keep the partners active, right? So this is what they're doing. Then in product referral loop, right? Refer a friend tab that mirrors the public affiliate rate. So this is how they're growing their affiliate program, right? So this way you can like find a lot of strategies, right? So this Appfolio, this is in real estate category, by the way. So distribution leverage, access to a large engaged base, then flagship co-marketing with Zillow, then marketplace launch with credible anchor partners. So this is like these are some of the strategies they're using to grow their affiliate program, right? And you can even maybe filter by category. So if you want some related to finance, we have finance here. Then if you want related to CMS, then we have CMS here. Then all of that stuff. Help desk, we have help desk companies over here, right? So yeah, so that is like about affiliate, growth world, and even you can ask an AI assistant, some of the
Yeah, sure. That's
questions
an
that you
awesome.
have.
It's a very huge thing you have built. And guys, you
Yeah,
can find the link below inside
yeah,
the comment box, right?
yeah,
So, guys, we are talking about that how you can turn your directory into a startup by automating listing updates, expand categories and regions, right? You can build
yeah,
partnership with more companies. You can add marketplace features like AppSumo. AppSumo is a directory of tools, right? But it
yeah,
has marketplace add-on on it, right? Now you can in these days you can add on AI powered search for your directory, right? This can be very helpful. So you can position your directory as AI powered, right? Now,
yeah,
the next segment is how to get users and traffic on your directory, right? How to get users and traffic. Users, in I'm talking in sense of if you have login and membership section inside your directory, then it's called users. And if not, it's just front end and there is no login required. It's just called visitors, right? So you can get users by SEO. As I told you before, that in directory there is a very good opportunity of SEO because let's say you have 1,000 businesses listed on your directory, you will be ranking in 1,000 niches, right? Let's say those are categorized into 10 niches. In all niches, they have their own brand, they have their own identity, they have their own search inputs inside search engine and inside generative AI also. So if you are getting listed anywhere inside generative AI's answers or let's say Google search, SERP, then you will be getting traffic from all those of listings. Though they will be landing on that particular business pages, but that page is part of your directory, right? They will explore more pages from that particular page. So this is how you get traffic from SEO. Next thing is Google My Business. You can integrate Google My Business very closely with your directory. Let's say any of business you are listing, because if your directory does not have review section, right, you also keep want to keep transparency to your visitors, that if you are exploring any business on our directory, just go and check their Google My Business, that what type of reviews they have, how many, from how much time they are in the market and something like that, which will create a trust, build trust, right, for them. And this is what happens, right? Another thing you can do is if you have very solid monetization strategy about your directory, and you are in the beginning phase, starting phase of starting revenue, right, and you think that you have done a good work and it went beyond your expectation, or at least as per your expectation, you have generated a good amount of money, you can also run a sign up referral program, that if you invite one genuine user, you can put restriction that it should not be on Gmail and it should be a business email and something like that, to get more qualified users than just spam, who are people just spamming and just signing up for dollars and something like that. You can obviously, it's your platform, you can build your own rules and policies, right? So you can do that, you can run a referral program. And yeah, you can also run a paid local ads. Let's say if you have a local business directory, you can run a local ad for it and invite businesses to list their businesses on your directory, right? Whatever it is. Another thing is, you can get users with cold outreach. Just they just mentioned about a cold outreach tool, that Apollo we were talking about. We were talking about their affiliate strategy, but there are lots of things. You have LinkedIn outreach, you have email outreach, you have social media outreach, and so much. The end goal is to reach out to businesses. Means could be anything. It could be a WhatsApp call, it could be a phone call, it could be an email, it could be a WhatsApp message, it could be a Telegram, right? It could be anything, it could be email. The end goal is to reach out business and say them, hey, you can list your business here, and you could get more, gain more visibility, you can get leads, you can, people will contact you and something like that, right? So these are the all different ways that how you can get traffic, right? Now once you have traffic, and once you have revenue, you have multiple options. First option is that make it more sustainable, make it more stable, and focus on growth and scaling it, right? Focus on growth and how you can make it more bigger, how you can increase revenue, how you can earn more with it, right? One of them is that, and every business does this, right? Another one is that you have built it, you worked on 1 or 2 years or 3 years, let's say now it has grown. Let's say you are having recurring revenue of, let's say, $10,000 per month. Now you have one more option to flip this. And Tejas is here with us, and
Yeah,
he has done this in past. And I would like Tejas to share one or two of his experiences,
yeah.
and obviously not exact amount, but just give us an idea that how you build, how much time it took to you, and
Directories, right?
what was the niche, and in how much amount you were able to
Yeah,
sell that.
yeah,
Flipping is a very good business. You can go to Flippa, and there are more platforms like I hope a Micro Acquire and Empire Flippers and Side Projectors and something like that. You can
yeah,
go and check out that, where you can sell such businesses. Not only directories, yeah, there you can sell multiple businesses, right? You have a blog, you have a YouTube channel, and something like that. So
yeah.
Tejas, on to you. Over to you.
Yeah, sure. So the first directory I built was Swipe directory. It was like a very basic directory of like a collection of marketing tools. Like I just wanted to get a start, right? And it was a very basic and simple directory. And even that, I guess I sold it for like $2,000 to $3,000, and it made some affiliate revenue of like $500 or $800. But there was some Canadian guy who was very interested in acquiring this tool because it also had a good domain name, swipedirectory.com. So he acquired it, and that was my first, kind of like an exit, at that point of time. I'm not really sure what has happened with that directory now, but yeah, it was like 3 years back or something. Yeah. So that was
You're
my
talking about swipedirectory.com. I just
yeah,
opened
yeah.
it. It's still live.
Yeah, so I don't know like exactly what is happening with that directory right
Yeah,
now.
what they are doing, you don't know about that, but it's still there.
I think it's still there, but I don't think it's currently being used properly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So yeah, that was my first directory, and the second directory that I built was Affiliate Corner, and I think that was a very popular one.
yeah,
And I think most of the marketing community knew about this, and it ran very well for like around 2 years, and it generated around 70 to 80 thousand dollars in revenue, and it ran really well. And then later I realized like I need to move on from this directory because I thought like the new buyer would do more justice to it, and I sold it for like around $25,000. I guess it's like 1 year back, because see, like it depends on the valuation, right?
yeah.
Uh, how the revenue is coming. Is it like a recurring revenue? Is it like a one-time revenue?
Lifetime revenue doesn't count in Flippa.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have
The valuation is really low. Like it could be like 1x or 1.5x, valuation. when you go to sell your any product, even if it is not a directory, you will get a valuation of 1x or 1.5x or even less than that. You have to have some recurring revenue in order to get like 3x to 3.5x multiple uh, for SaaS, right? So it's not particularly a SaaS, but it was like a really great directory, and that did really well. And then I started building more directories. Now, as I told, like affiliate growth, what was one directory? Then there is one directory that I built is ltdideas.com.
Yeah.
Then there is another directory called as growthcatalog.com. Right. This is the third directory. And the fourth directory that I built is truckstopsguide.com. Right. Truck stops guide. So it's like a directory of all the truck stops in US. And it has around 4,300 pages. So it's like programmatically SEO generated. Right.
So these stops are marked by government or built by
Yeah,
government?
so these are like truck stops. So all of the trucks routes in US, they have a dedicated truck stops area, like we have a petrol pump,
But
right?
it's owned privately or owned by government.
I think it might be a mix of both, probably privately owned and government. So basically, if you go on Google Maps and write like truck stops in California, maybe,
So
so we'll
what you
get a
can
list.
do, you can just check any restaurant and reach out to them and ask them that I can make hundreds of trucks stop on your restaurant by listing you here. So would you be interested in doing a partnership with me? You
Yeah,
will be thinking the person sitting somewhere in the world is calling me and telling that. That would be
yeah.
really crazy.
Yeah, so the reason I built this directory was like, first of all, I wanted to understand how the programmatic SEO works in a directory. So I built this directory from scratch via wipe coding, right? So this is like completely wipe coded directory. And I scraped all the listing data from the Google Maps API. And it's a very tricky thing because you should ideally you should not scrape that much data via Google Maps because it's very risky. Because if Google understand that you are using this data at a scale, it might even ban your account. So I was just trying to scrape those data points very in a normal speed, right? So and I got this. So I was using Cursor, right? So I just told Cursor like, okay, just scrape me this data with the Google Maps API. Fed this documentation. I don't know coding, right? I just fed the cursor like I want to get this data. This is the Google Maps API documentation. Just scrape this, and then
Is
cursor was
this
talking to me.
API, World Maps API, is this free or paid one?
This is a Google Maps API. Google Maps API is completely free, and it is
It
free
has
until
limitations, right? About
yeah,
65,000.
it has a limitations. It has some limitations, but you cannot, use it in a spammy way because if you let's suppose you ran it like 3 days non-stop, right, or 4 days non-stop, the scraping tool, Google will eventually understand that you are trying to scrape the data. So the general guidelines is that you cannot use the Google Maps API to sell anything, right? But of course, this is like a very small project, and Google doesn't care about this small project. But if you try to spam and you try to scrape the Google Maps API data, it will be very risky for you. So even if you have Google Maps API key, I would recommend you to, get a different separate Google account, which is really different, right? So
Yeah.
this is even, this is the way you can even get data for a directory, right? So I would recommend any of you viewers who are watching, just don't try to like don't try to come into a mindset that I want to make money out of directory. First, try to understand, learn, and do random things like let's try to build a programmatic SEO directory. Let's try to scrape data. Let's try to get some data. So it can be like that. And once you are done with the skill set, then you can jump off to building a real directory, right? So yeah, that was one truck stops guide directory and affiliate growth, what I already said. And then again, the big tool that I built last year was directory ideas.ai. And Unesh can like link in the comment like this tool,
Yeah,
link.
I also added a link inside the description of this live stream for directory ideas, where you
Yeah,
can get ideas that on what topic, or let's say what are the ideas to build directory business, right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
let me share in the comment box also.
yeah.
So just now it will launch inside your directory ideas. We'll just go inside your, and I'm just also pasting the link of LTD ideas, where you can find both you will find in the comment box, right?
Yeah. So basically, directory address is like it's a tool where you can like just input any term or any industry or any keyword that you are really interested in building a directory, and it will generate a lot of directory unique directory ideas from it. And then if you like any directory idea, you can click on it, and it will get you more insights about this. I can even share you how the tool works so you can understand better.
Okay, awesome. So, guys, this Tejas is here with us, and he shared his experience of
Yeah.
flipping directories and selling. He also generously told us amount that how what amount he sold directories. Thank you for that, Tejas.
Yeah.
And this was just to inspire you guys that on this season of Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we only speak about spending money. Let's talk about something earning money, right? Because our as you must have watched my live streams, whatever I've done with SaaS founders, I was not just everything about what the tool is and what it does. I always ask some questions that how people can make money with it. That's what our end goal is, because everyone is here for business. No one is came here for just out of passion that I just like to do this as a pleasure,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
that's the reason we focus on, and I am planning to scale it and do it more such extensive sessions with different niche expert. And because me myself is very I myself is very interested in the niche which help people make money, right?
Right.
This is what my passion is. That's why I have a YouTube channel on in Hindi language. In English, I talk about lifetime deals and SaaS tool, but in Hindi, I only talk about how to make money. Either it's online or offline, doesn't matter. But because I am in an online field, the only ideas I get is about online. But if there is some interesting business offline also, I would love to do that, right? So, guys, let's move ahead, and we were talking about flipping, right? So you can also flip, right? If you have consistent traffic, predictable revenue, simple operations, and easy to hand over. These are 3 4 points which I came thought and came about that this should be pre-decided that if you are planning to flip website, then you must be ready for this, that you to hand over your directory must be easy, right? And its traffic should be consistent. Let's say you are saying I have 100,000 visitors per month, and when the buyer is opening your Google Analytics and it was just first month, right? You got a spike. Maybe next month it would go down. So why would someone pay you for your $1,000 traffic? So let's say at least you must have a track record of last 6 to 7 months of consistent traffic numbers. Then this would also help buyers. Let's put yourself in the position of buyers. If you are buying any particular directory, how much would you buy? Why you would buy? If you are someone is selling you, I am telling you selling you in this $50,000, then how much you would expect revenue of that per month? Let's talk on that. So be reasonable about this. In this world, you that if you have a dream of selling it in $200,000, that must not be the reason that you would get customer of $200,000. So let's be realistic, let's be practical, and talk about that. So these are all things. It's easy to handle consistent traffic, and your revenue should be predictable. Let's say talk about LTD, right? I myself have a brand of promoting LTDs as an affiliate. Let's say I build a directory of lifetime deals. It's not consistent. Sometimes it's $1,000, sometimes it's $10,000, and sometimes it's $500. So why would it's not predictable? It depends on us how much we send out email campaigns, how much we do live streams, how engaging our audience is, and something like that. There are so many factors deciding it. But let's say I have a SaaS directory of a recurring tools, and I already have recurring income of $10,000, and I have track record of it since last 6 to 7 months. Now, there is one question here, Tejas, for you. Let's say I have a SaaS directory and I have already generated recurring revenue. But if I hand over my directory to someone, those recurring revenue are in my affiliate account. I will not give my affiliate account to him. Or let's say I could have give, but if I would have created affiliate account in that brand name of directory, right? I could have. So have you faced something like that, and what you have done? Let
Okay.
it has graph it has traffic, right? It has
Okay.
tremendous traffic. Let's say 3,000 visitors per month, and it is generating new leads also, and new paid signups also, and creating new recurring income also, right? So but over time, in this building process of 1 or 2 years, whatever the paid subscription I am getting, recurring correction commission is what buyers expect from us.
So basically, this affiliate commissions is in your account, right? Under your name.
Hmm. If it's under my name, I would not give. That's my
Yeah.
position.
Yeah, of course you should not give, but even so, you are talking the what's your actual question? Like, what's your actual question about it? Then,
My actual question is, let's say I have a AI, I start building an AI tools directory, right?
yeah.
Now, obviously, it will affect the overall pricing of flipping the website, right? So
Mhm.
there are two scenarios. One scenario is I build an aitools.com. For example, actually, I don't own this domain, but I'm just giving an example. This is my AI
Right,
tools directory, right?
right.
Now I created a Gmail of aitools.com at the rate gmail.com and sign up each and every affiliate program with that email.
Mhm.
Now, whatever recurring commission has generated are already in Gmail of that particular project.
Right, right,
Now, I have generated about $10,000 of recurring income, and I haven't added anywhere. I added my PayPal email there, and I'm
right,
getting payouts of $10,000 per month.
right,
One
right,
scenario is that I haven't took out any cash over there.
right,
That will be cherry on the top for buyer, right? That it already have last 6 months $60,000. You can take payout now by just giving your PayPal, right? That's
mm,
one scenario. One scenario is I have taken $10,000 per month since last 6 months, and I have already cashed it out. But uh, as soon as you buy, you change your PayPal email to yours, and from the next month you will be started getting $10,000 ready revenue. This is one scenario, and the third scenario is I joined affiliate program with my personal affiliate brand, which I'm using for affiliate marketing, and this recurring revenue will be with me, and I will be getting every month, right? Which
right.
out of these three, which one is better, and what buyers expect
S-
from us, and what will be the effect on valuation of that flipping that project?
So, in terms of like buyers, buyer would ideally would like to have obviously the revenue with them with
That will
the
increase valuation, right?
yeah, that will increase the valuation like tremendous. Like if it is really getting like $10,000 a month in affiliate commissions, and that too organically, so that would be really really crazy. And I think that would be probably 10,000 into 12 is like
Yeah.
120. It would be very very crazy, like 350K or 300 400K valuation something, that kind of valuation. So ideally a buyer would want that. Definitely, like they a separate Gmail account and all the revenue coming in, even if you are cashing it out, it doesn't matter because it is getting you the revenue every month, right? So even if they change your PayPal ID to their PayPal ID later on when they buy, right? So even if that doesn't matter because that is getting the revenue, like right. And if you can show the stable revenue stream in a chart properly, so that a buyer would have that confidence, then obviously you will get a really good valuation. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, this was just a brainstorming thing, and I would like to. You can explore that how much. Let me share my screen once again and show you that what is being sold right now in the market, right? So let's go to Flippa. That is the famous one. I don't know. Many people like it very much, and many people do not like at all, right? I don't know what's the case. I haven't used anytime, but I explored it. I explore it a lot sometimes, right? So every year there is a week or two fully I am into these things and exploring what's happening in the market. uh, yeah, so we are right now on Flippa, and let me change this. Yeah, so guys, this is let's say search here directory, right? Actually here they are selling, SaaS are being sold, blogs are sold, Shopify stores are sold, AdSense blogs, let's say the projects monetized with AdSense are sold, Amazon affiliate marketing websites are sold, YouTube channels are sold, right? So let's search directory, right? I'm just searching directory, and there is insider AI. The seller is asking for $130,000. It has $4,726 per month income, right? So let's be realistic and set up a filter that we only see the projects which are recently sold, right? So we would definitely to uh, boil down, right? Boil down to the what we need, because when it's sold, now it's market price, right? Because people can ask more than market price also. I think there was a filter that recently sold projects. There was a filter. Yeah, plugin and extension, AI app, digital marketing, digital agencies, auction. Yeah, recently sold. Then let's close this open one. So yeah, so these are all projects which are sold, There could be smaller projects, there could be bigger projects, and yeah. So this person just created a directory of iOS apps and sold it for. It must be very beginning and has only revenue of $47 per month. I don't think this one is real. But in the same Goodwill outlet store, $11 per month income, sold for 680. He got only one bid, but I think this is something crazy. Maybe the buyer was thinking that I am getting a ready-made website, and if I hire a developer and build such website, it would cost me about $1,000 and $1,500. So maybe the buyer should be thinking of that. But let's go to this 3,500. Pastes.io, paste sharing platform with 15K users. It has 15,000 users, 120K pastes, high traffic, full Laravel project, and domain included. AdSense banned. So AdSense is banned. So that's the reason it sold for so lower price, right? Nutritionist directory. Again, this is one of good example. It sold in 6,500. I saw there is no. I was looking for some big projects, uh,
Maybe
but
you can check off market. Is there anything off market?
off market with Laurent AI,
Oh, okay.
it will take
No,
someone
yeah,
else.
never mind. Yeah,
Yeah. So this was just to give an idea, right? That how is this flipping happen. So there are a lot of platforms. This is just one of them. Flippa. There is Micro Acquire. There is Empire Flippers. There is Side Projectors. There is one more called Motion Invest. I
yeah,
just
yeah. And there is one more called as Microns.io where I sold, I think, affiliate corner. I think I sold here only. Microns.io.
Microns.io. Okay.
Yeah.
So that was really a learning session. Sorry, I was removing this screen. So, guys, we talked about everything. And how you can increase your valuation. That is also an important topic. So, I wrote it down here in front of me that this is one topic. So, you can increase your revenue if you keep record of your analytics very clean, right? You keep very good maintained record of analytics and you keep it clean. You keep your revenue records very clean and visible. Many people, this is coming in my PayPal and this is coming in my bank account and this is in my brother's account. These are just red flags for buyers that it may be real or it may be not real. So what's best way to do is create an email for that project, sign up for affiliate programs with them. Obviously, for payout, you can decide you want to get cash out or not, right? Instantly. Suggested one is that you should, because companies, if your amount goes bigger, someone might think that what is this happening? Why this person is not taking out, right? So that's the thing. So there are you also document your process of building, launching, and everything, right? You also document it. It's easy, and you also one more thing is pick a strong domain instead of taking some long names. The same project will with a good domain would give you a better value. Domain is not going to, if let's say if you are getting some high premium domain also of 100 or a couple of $100, then it will include it will increase thousands in valuation of your complete project. Now you're not selling one just a domain, you are also selling a whole brand, right? So brand name matters. So this was just uh, one thing on. Also, if you have built an email list, let's say your traffic is 10,000 visitors per month, but you have email list of about 5,000 people, and you offer a buyer that I will give you whole email list and you can start sending newsletter from this week, when you buy. So it would increase your valuation, right? So these are few things that you could focus on to increase. Now, the process of directing is simple as any other online business. You pick up a niche, you validate your idea, and for idea, you can go and find the link below in the description also and in the comment box also. There is a tool by Tejas built. And if you want to save your time on research, and you will get detailed insights also. If you do research also in the market, you will not get insight, right? So for insights, you have to check this. What was the name? Uh,
Directory ideas.
Ideas. You can find the link below in the description and comment box also. So you validate your idea, you research your competitors, that what other people are doing in this niche and as this type of projects. You decide your USP, that what is your USP that people would visit your directory instead of other ones, right? So that you give some reason to come to your directory. Otherwise, there are lots of directories in the market. Why would people come to you? Now select a tool and tech stack on which what you want to. You can wipe code it. You can make it on WordPress. There are two of WordPress deals right now going on, which you can get at one-time cost. One of them is aDirectory, and another one is Directorist. You can find the link below in the description of this live stream, right? You can build on WordPress. If you want to go with SaaS, there is one deal with unlimited directories going on right now, which is called Listable. You can find below in the link below in the description. This deal is available at two places. One of them is the direct website. For that, we have exclusive discount coupon code. You will find below along with the link. And another platform which this deal is available is Product Canyon. You will find the link for that also inside the description. So we decide a tech stack. Either you will code yourself or code with help of AI. You built it on WordPress or you built it on. There is one more tool, Brilliant Directory, is very famous in this niche for building directories. You can go and check out other options also inside market. And there was one Directoryfy last year, and there are many tools, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, now let's move ahead to this one, right? You to tool directly. You first build MVP. You don't need.
Udesh, do you mind if I go?
Yeah,
I
sure,
have some work to
sure.
do.
I'll just
Yeah,
wrap it up in 5 to 10 minutes, right?
yeah, sure, sure. Yeah. Okay, bye, bye, guys.
So bye bye, Tejas. Thank you
Bye,
for your
bye.
time. So, guys, what you can do, you just build an MVP. You don't need tons of features in the beginning. You can onboard listings, you can add monetization. This is the process how you build a directory. How to find a niche, find high in demand, right? And there is a very famous dialogue in this niche selection process, that there are only three niches. It should be of any these three niches which will give you more revenue and more money. That's one of them is health, one of them is wealth, and another is relationship. So it would be better if you do in something these three of the niches. In wealth, it could be about earning money, and also it could be about saving money, right? Let's say, if I say you can earn this much money with this thing, it's interesting. This is similarly, if I say you can save whatever you are doing and you're spending money, you can save this much money. That's also interesting. So health, wealth, and relationship, these three are the niches which have more money, and it should be in one of these. If does not come in these three, you will find a bit difficult to monetize and scale, right? So find the niche, right? There are lots of niche example I already gave. And now finalize your directory idea. You go to Google Trends, keyword research, find market gaps, monetizational potential, competitor weaknesses, right? And I already listed the tools to build. There are also marketplace platform. And there might be some tools which would be helpful in growing your directories. Let's say SEO tools and AI content generation. You can take help of AI in building this, and you can create your own red mob, that in 7 days, in 1 week, I want to make my MVP ready, and another in 30 days I would be focusing on listing acquisition, and bringing more listings and something like that. And then next couple of months you can spend on SEO strategy, and next 3 months you can spend on monetizations and scale. And 6 to 12 months, right now you must have some visitors and revenue, then you can flip it or scale it for more revenue. So that's a wrap, guys. Directory, the key takeaways inside this session is directory business is a very good business, still relevant in market, low cost, high ROI. You get a very high return on investment. There are multiple monetization paths. There you can build your MVP very fast with right tools if you have, and it's easy to scale and flip, right? So if you have any question about directory business, you can drop right now inside the comment box, and I will try to cover it in the live stream, or you can leave inside the comment box after the stream ends also, so I can easily reply there inside the comment box. So let me check if we have any question. Otherwise, to everyone who are saying in the comment box, hi hello to all, and thank you for joining. So we don't have any question as of now, so guys, you can drop your questions inside the comment box. Let's wrap it, and we will be soon again live with next interesting topic of this live stream. And you can suggest me in the comment box that on what topic you would like to see my live stream. So see you in the next